Ayan. Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in this video, I'm going to share with you some important information regarding the new, not really new, NFT game, My Neighbor Alice, that is about to be launched on January 2022. Its full features. Okay, so let's start. Ay, alam ko ang dami ng nauumay ngayon dahil sa mga pangalan na Binimon, ano pa, Ethermon, Binamon, poros mga mon, no? Nabasa ko doon sa comment section. And because of that, I thought of featuring this NFT game lang muna, no? Para bago naman. Hindi naman mga monsters and pets, no? This time, we're going to talk about seeds, gardening, and trading. Okay? So first, this is their website. Ayan. Um, My Neighbor Alice. And it is secured because you have there the padlock. And also, it starts with HTTPS. So, okay tayo dyan. Ayan. So, My Neighbor Alice, this is your one-stop shop for land, animals, tools, and cosmetics, ranging from common to legendary NFTs. The M&A marketplace basically has all the wonderful things you need to nurture your plot into the land you always dreamed of. Ayan. So, let's talk about the game features. Okay, first, ayan na the charming farm and builder game introducing blockchain to millions of players. So dito guys, actually this is inspired by successful games such as Animal Crossing. No, the game combines the best of the two worlds, a fun narrative for regular players who want to enjoy the gameplay experience, as well as an ecosystem for players who want to collect and trade NFTs, even if they have no idea what an NFT is. So this is very friendly to those who are not really familiar with NFT games. Okay, so here, this is a builder game where anyone can buy and own virtual islands, collect and build exciting items, and meet new friends. So meron din siyang social interaction with other players, which is also a very exciting thing, exciting feature of the game. Yan. So, meron tayong avatars, guys. Ayan. So, each player is represented by an avatar in the game and players could interact with others through the avatar. Players could also modify the avatar by installing different assets to it. O, di ba? Ang ganda. So excited lang for this part. And virtual island. So, meron ding bibilhin na piece of island, guys. So, I have a news about it. Later, no, I will talk about it later. So in the game, players could either purchase virtual plots from Alice or in the marketplace. So there is a scarce supply of plots in the universe, and each piece of land is represented in the form of NFT tokens. Yeah. So in-game assets, there are in-game assets that can be deployed into the game and they can be bought on the marketplace. So abang-abang sa marketplace, no? Among them, may mga houses, may mga animals, di ba? May veggies, decorations, cosmetic items for the avatars. Yeah, so parang ano talaga siya, yung main focus talaga ng game is yung setting ng game pala is talagang farming, no, gardening. So we're going to use Alice token for this game. This is the main currency of the game, and it enables players to exchange NFTs, buy land, and use specific DeFi products such as collateralization, buyback, and staking, mainly in the first phase of the game development. So let's talk about the Alice token. Ayan, so this is the native currency of the game. So I know using this token, you can purchase game items. You can also stake your Alice guys and get rewards, which I will talk about later on, and play to earn. So you can earn Alice tokens through participating in the game's events. Ayan, di ba maganda? At saka how much na ba yung Alice ngayon? So according to CoinGecko, nasa 256 pesos na siya. Kagabi, $4 lang yun, no? Ngayon, nag $5 na siya. Tumaas siya ng $1. Also, if you want to check out their white paper, they have their white paper, guys. Ayan. I will just include this in the description below so you can check it out, no, and read the content of the white paper. Maganda kasi talaga, guys, before you really start playing, before getting involved to something, you have to read, no, the background. Sa mga magtatanong sa akin sa comment section kung may white paper, yes, guys, they already have their white paper. Ayan. You can just click the link in the description. Okay. And aside from their white paper, guys, I also want to suggest that you read through Medium. So, meron din silang Medium. Nasa description din yung link. Ayan. Dito, ma-update ka talaga no, kung ano na ba yung nangyayari sa game. Kumusta na yung development and progress of the game. So, ngayon guys, meron silang second land sale lottery. This is what I am very excited to share with you. So, the Shaded Headland region of Nature's Rest. Ayan. So, yan yung nasa lottery nila ngayon. Yung isang piece of land guys sa Alice is worth 50, ay Alice, yung isang piece of land sa game na to is worth 50 Alice. So, if we will compute 50 times 256 ba yun? So, nasa around 12,000 siya, guys. Diba? Ang mahal. But because they have this event na lottery, yung kakailanganin mo na lang is 20 Alice. Okay? Pero hindi mo siya ibibenta, hindi mo gagastusin yung 20 Alice mo, okay? So that's around 20 Alice is around 5,000 pesos, 5,120. So what you're going to do with your Alice, guys, your 20 Alice, you just have to stake it. Okay? So punta tayo sa kanilang dashboard. Ayan. Dito. Okay, dito tayo sa lottery. Ayan, no? Katatapos lang kasi ng kanilang first lottery. So, magkakaroon na naman sila, guys, ng lottery. So, you just have to wait to kung kailan ulit yung second lottery nila. So, yung mangyayari, guys, you just have to deposit, ayan, 20 Alice, okay, for you to be able to get the chance to win in the land sale lottery. Okay, so ganun lang, no? Magde-deposit ka lang, i-stake mo lang yung 20 Alice mo, and by that, you will get the chance to win a piece of land, no, in the game. And there will be 1,000 plots that will be given in the lottery, in the land sale lottery. So if you are lucky enough, you might get, no, that one piece of land, and you can save magkano? 12,000 pesos. Ayan. So, if you have a money to spare, an amount of 20 Alice, then you can go and you can stake your Alice to get the chance to win a piece of a land in the game. Okay? So, yan, no? Sa lottery. Well, if you have the spare amount lang naman. So, if you will check the map, coming soon pa siya. And then, NFT market, wala rin. Okay? So, yan yung inaabangan ngayon, no? Yan yung pinaka-latest update nila regarding the game. Now, aside from this lottery, guys, they also published here, they also announced that you can now buy a mysterious seed, okay? You can also access it using your phone. Just use the Yandex browser, and then you just have to connect your MetaMask account, okay? Para ma-access mo yung game. So, dito guys, on July 13, ano na ba tayo ngayon? So, July 13, pwede ka na makabili ng seed. So, pwede kang bumili ng mysterious seed. And per seed, magkano nga ba? It costs 1 Alice. So, that's around 200 to 250 pesos. And then, papakita ko sa inyo, no, kung paano bumili ng seed. Ayan. So, let's go to seed.myneighboralice. Ayan. Ilalagay ko na rin ito sa description so you can just click it right away. Okay, no? Let's wait for it to be loaded. Okay. Tapos, okay. So, as you access, guys, the seed.myneighboralice, you have to create your Chromia Vault account. Okay, madali lang naman siya. You just have to click create new account. But if you already have your Chromia account, you can just import your existing account. Okay? And then you just have to type your 15 seed phrase. Diba? Kung sa MetaMask 12, dito kay Chromia, you will need 15. So, meron yan siya as you create your account, they will give you your 15 seed phrase. So, you have to save it, secure it, and do not disclose it to anybody. Alright? Okay, so once na nalagay mo na yung iyong seed phrase, you just have to come up with your account name. So let's say Professor T-Rex, and then your password. Okay, continue, and wait for it to get redirected to their main website. Okay, as you log in, guys, you will see this authorized seed. Okay, and you want to authorize Sid to act on your behalf, okay, you just have to click authorize. So, ayan, no? Naka-authorize na siya. And also, make sure that your Chromia account is connected to your MetaMask account. Okay? I-click nyo lang yung inyong extension and then you just have to connect it. Okay? Just sign into your MetaMask, log in, so that, of course, the game will be connected to your MetaMask account. So in this part of the game, guys, there will be two tasks that you have to do. The first one, you have to water your plant, and the next one will be you have to play music for your plant, no, for your plant to grow. So click natin itong water the plant. Yan. So fill in mo lang yan ng water. Ayan. Tapos kapag mapuno na, go back, and then water mo lang siya. Okay. And then here, you have to play music for it. So, if you are a music lover, this is best for you. Okay? So, that's how you do it. And if possible, do not miss any note. Okay? Ayan. So, how can we buy a seed, no, in this game? You just have to go to your profile and then authorize wallet and then click mo lang sa MetaMask. Yan. And then you just have to sign in. Ayan. So, connected na siya. Na-authorize na natin yung ating wallet. Ayan, no, connected to Binance Smart Chain. So, this time, you can click this Buy New Seed. Ayan. You can use CHR. So, magkano na ba yung Chromia token ngayon? According to CoinGecko, this costs 0.25. $0.25. So, magkano ba yung $0.25? Around, guys, 12 pesos. While kung gagamitin mo yung 1 Alice, okay, 1 Alice is only $5 sa ngayon. So, medyo mas mura siya, no? Nasa 250 pesos siya. Okay? So, click natin 1 Alice. Ayan. So, you just have to confirm it. Confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Okay, you can also edit the gas, guys, to 40,000. Ayan, accepted siya. So, confirm. Okay, your new seed will appear soon. Okay, so our second seed, guys, yung first ko kasi is leafy plum seed. So, this time I have starberry seed. Okay, so plant. But this will replace and remove your current plant. So, what you're going to do, you have to wait for 14 days, no, until the harvest time of your first seed. That's the moment that you can plant another seed. So, ganun siya, you have to wait until the harvest time. Okay, that's how you buy a seed in My Neighbor Alice. And every harvest, guys, there is a chance that you will get incentives, no, or NFTs. Ayan. So, something that you can also look forward in this game. So, as of now, ito lang muna yung magagawa natin sa game, no? And also, you can join the lottery by staking 20 Alice. And guys, just a reminder, no, if you want to be updated, if you want to contact anyone who can give anyone regarding this game, you just have to access their Twitter and their Telegram. Okay? Wala na pong ibang official account yung Alice, and also have their YouTube. But of course, YouTube channel yan. So, the best thing that you can communicate with them would be the Telegram and get updated through their Twitter. You know. Okay, so that's it about My Neighbor Alice. Sana nagustuhan ninyo, and if you're interested, no, with this kind of game, kung gusto mo yung ganitong type lang, hindi yung mga ayan, fighting or what, then you can go on, you can play with this game. Okay, but again, invest at your own risk. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope that this video has been informative and has been a help to those who are planning to play NFT games. So if you are new in my channel, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye!